The Spicy 50 is a modern classic cocktail that balances the mild sweetness of elderflower liqueur with a hint of heat from chili. It's a sophisticated and exotic drink that's perfect for those who enjoy a little kick in their cocktails. You will need the following ingredients: 50 milliliters vanilla vodka. This forms the base of the cocktail, adding a smooth and creamy vanilla flavor. 15 milliliters elderflower liqueur. Provides a soft, sweet floral note to the drink. 15 milliliters lime juice. Balances the sweetness with fresh, zesty acidity. 10 milliliters honey syrup. Adds a rich sweetness. It's made by diluting honey with an equal part of hot water. 2 slices red chili. Gives the drink its signature spicy kick. For equipment you will need cocktail shaker, strainer, jigger, muddler, martini or coupe glass. Here are the instructions. Prepare your martini or coupe glass by chilling it with ice or placing it in the freezer for a few minutes. In a cocktail shaker, muddle the red chili slices gently to release their flavor. Add the vanilla vodka, elderflower liqueur, lime juice, and honey syrup into the shaker. Fill the shaker with ice and shake vigorously for about 15 seconds until the outside of the shaker feels cold to the touch. Discard the ice from your chilled glass and double strain the mixture into it with a fine mesh strainer to catch the chili seeds. Garnish with a small slice of red chili or a twist of lime zest if desired. The Spicy 50 was created by Salvatore Calabrese, a world-renowned bartender, and first served at his bar, Salvatore at 50, in London. The cocktail quickly gained popularity due to its unique blend of sweet, sour, and spicy elements.